Here we go, third paragraph in the body. So this is actually your fourth paragraph of your DARE essay. So this is your last kind of big paragraph before we do our conclusion. Again, as I sound pretty repetitive, make sure that you indent by hitting that tab key or 2 finger spaces as you're writing, okay? This paragraph is all about how you plan to use what you've learned to make safe and responsible choices. So thinking back to all those facts that you learned, thinking back to the DARE decision-making model, how are you going to implement what you've learned from DARE in your life? Think of in your life now, as well as in the future when you're going to be faced with different types of situations. How are you going to make safe and responsible choices now because of DARE and the things you've learned in DARE? This is the paragraph where you may want to use some of the facts, like I said, and just brainstorm some ideas of things that might happen in the future or things that have already happened now. Think of some situations. Officer Tessing was great at giving you guys scenarios of what may happen in the future or some things that have already maybe come into your life. So this is all about you and how you're reflecting on what you learned and how you're going to utilize that. Okay, this one's probably about 4 sentences of making responsible and safe choices. And then tomorrow we will be moving on to our final conclusion, guys. You're rocking it. Keep it up. You're doing a great job. Let us know if we can help. Email us, send us seesaws, anything that you need from us. A few of you have been sending in your items so that we can be checking your DARE essay along the way. We will absolutely do that for you. Okay? All right, guys, good luck.